Good morning, everyone. I'd like to talk about how to get stock ideas. I'm big on the stock market. I love what I can do for you financially and how it can help you in your life. With the stock market, there's 11 sectors. There's energy, materials, industrials, utilities, healthcare, financials, consumer discretionary, consumer staples, information technology, communication services, and real estate. So basically there's 11 sectors in the stock market. With my portfolio, I'm actually in almost every sector. I'm actually in every sector. So, sometimes one sector might have, a problem, might be down, but another sector of the stock market be up. So this is how you diversify, inside the stock market, because you're going to basically be picking many different areas of the stock market to invest in. And if anything happens, like with oil, gas, retail, the other one shouldn't be affected unless there's something crazy like COVID. So what I want to go over today is how to get ideas, because, when you're starting out, you're like, you don't know what to, which stocks to get. And, there's Warren Buffett has only, I think, about maybe 16 or 15 stocks. But, obviously I have more, but it's up to you. They recommend between 10 and 20 stocks to keep. And that's what I normally do. I just, I keep a little bit above that, but I make sure I'm like in different parts of the stock market. So to get stock ideas, you gotta check out, news. Like there's a CNN Money with Jim Cramer, which is great. He gives some advice on stocks he should get. You can check out MSNBC. There's many outlets that give some financial news and analysis on different stocks and what they're doing, and this could be a great way to start getting ideas of which ones you want to invest in. There's so many. There's over, I think maybe 4,000 stocks. But, for me, I do have, account with stocks. And then I do exchange traded funds, which is just like a basket of stocks all rolled up into one. Like there's the Vanguards out there. There's BlackRock. There's all different types, and for you just have to, do you want like the basket of stocks, which is easier for some people, or do you want to pick individual stocks? Dave Ramsey recommends, I think exchange traded funds, or mutual funds, which is, more of the basket of stocks, but it's up to you. You gotta also, to come up with stock ideas, you have to follow market trends, on the sectors, because some will be going up and some will be going down. So for you, you have to keep track. You can go on Yahoo Finance, or you can go on YouTube and or Google, and there's many places that show. They'll say Coca-Cola's earnings reports were up or down, and that's what based the trend of the stock. Sometimes it's sometimes if they have a good earnings call where they met their financial needs, then what's called the stock the skyrocket. But if they were down, obviously people sell, and then the stock will be down. But when it's down, it's always on sale for me, so I'll just keep buying more. Also, with Yahoo Finance and on Google or any Mozilla search engine, you can just Look for the companies with strong financials. Companies that have been doing it for years and years and years. There's a lot of companies that have been over 30, 40, 50 years with strong numbers. So for you, if you're just starting out, I would look for those. Look for good companies, strong companies, companies that have been, even dividend companies that have been paying out year after year, no matter what's going on. Because all through history, you'll see we'll have recessions, depressions, inflation, etc. And a lot of these companies are still able to manage and, go through all these turmoils, whether we're at war or not. They're able to, survive. So those are good companies that have great management in place and still be around. Regardless of what's going on, they find a way to get it done. They're like the Patriots of old. But yeah, so for me, that's like a major criteria in having a stock. Also, you can analyze companies' products and services. See what they're offering. I mean, see if there's something that you even like. You can just, for me, great stock ideas come from just going to the supermarket. Or go to Sam's Club or Costco, Walmart, and seeing certain stuff that I buy all the time. And, from this stuff, like if I'm buying all the time and other people are buying it, that means it's, that means this company is around. So like, that's why I usually always say when you're starting out, you can get good ideas from like, Coca-Cola. You go in the store, you always see Coke, Pepsi, Frito-Lay's. There's so many, I think Frito-Lay's is Pepsi also, but there's so many different companies like Kraft. You just don't know which companies own them, but they're conglomerates. So a big company owns like a lot of these small little brands you see in the supermarket shelves, and find your favorite product. And then go home, Google, and see what company makes it. And this can be a great way, for you to get in the stock market by buying something, and you're technically a business owner when you own a stock. And how about you owning, if you're going to buy that product anyway, but you being a micro owner of that company. So this way you're supporting yourself. And I think that's a great idea, and will help you in the future. Also, you gotta network with other, investors, meaning communicate, because there's a lot of people who can, like some of my stocks I actually put in are from referrals from other people. So some other people referred me, and this is why I, decided to go with that stock. Obviously, you're gonna make changes here and there from time to time. You're gonna make a lot of changes. It's not what you have now will change later. But it depends. It all depends on whether the stock stays up or down. If you like a new stock, but they do recommend 10 to 20. But it all depends on you. All depends on you, because I have more than that, but it's because I want to be more diversified, and I feel like with stock market now, you can actually put like $1 in each stock. So this way, I can get my value in most of them, most of the ones I like. Also, you should look for companies that are undervalued. So you're looking for sales. The stock market always has sales. When you see it, down for the day or for the week, that's a sale. So you're looking for those undervalued companies that you see on sale that are going to be regular price one day. So if you look for some stocks that are that have been down, and they're up for they're set for a comeback, and that's going to be the perfect one to get into, because as soon as it jumps, that's when you're going to make your money. But it's up to you, like if you wait for the sale to be over, then you could lose your chance. But stock market always has sales when the market is down, and this is your opportunity to get in. It's an opportunity to find something that you know will go up eventually. Same with COVID. During COVID, I actually bought some stocks, more stocks, and because I knew that COVID, once it's over, these stocks would skyrocket, and I almost tripled what I put in. And that, it's crazy, And some people I was telling, you better put in, but they decide to wait and lost their opportunity. I mean, because how many times do we have anything crazy like that happen in our lives? It's it's once in a blue moon. So there will be more opportunities, and you just have to jump on them. Last thing for stock ideas is just do the research. As I said, we have the biggest search engines. You could use Microsoft search, Google search. Do your research. You can. I mean, there are books, but I mean, mostly YouTube. People, you can find out information about probably any stock you want. You just go on YouTube and do a Google search. Take your time. There's no need to rush when you're starting out. But picking the solid companies it's like just picking certain ones you feel that to start out. I would say ones that and that have been around for a long period of time. Those are the best ones to go with. But at the end, it's up to you. Also, if you want, you can just get an exchange trade fund, and you'll own like 1,000 companies in one stock. That's another option. So these are just many stock ideas, or ways to decide on which stocks to get. I can't decide for you which ones to get. Everyone's portfolio is going to be different according to what they like. No two portfolios will be alike. But I would say, like I said earlier in the I was talking, go to the supermarket. Even if you look, there's a lot of I think U.S. Foods maybe, or Cisco, Dempsey. Like there's so many companies that you see around. Even when you're driving, even if you like the restaurant Cheesecake Factory, they have stock too. So there's a lot of these companies that do have stocks, and if you like a company, you eat there, or use their service, you can try that stock for now and see. This way, as a beginner, you can get your feet wet and get started in the stock market. So hopefully this helped a little bit. I know it's a broad topic to talk about, but for me, starting out, I made so many changes to my portfolio. You wouldn't recognize it from where it was years ago to now. I made a lot of changes, but I kept the strong players, the ones that have been around for the longest time. Thank you again for coming to the channel. Please leave a comment if you do subscribe, and hit that like button. All right, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.